Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, Euro USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as we all know, there was a huge sell-off on GBP USD yesterday. This was the impact of the GBP USD, and you can see that right now we do not have any lines, any lines here on the chart because almost everything is gone. No support is available on the chart of GBP USD. If I take you to the 1-day chart, then you can see that in the 1-day chart also we do not have any proper support here. And if I take you to the weekly chart, the weekly chart is also not giving us any clear sign here. And if we go to the monthly chart also, then also we do not have any proper confirmation, because see, in the monthly chart, if I try to draw a trend line, which I generally do not do, but still we have got nothing. So from the technical point of view, we have nothing right now. If you ask me, Abhilash, where is the nearest support, then my dear friends, I do not have the answer, because from the chart I cannot tell you anything right now. And therefore, if you have the answer, if you know where is the nearest support, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And if you ask me what is the strategy or what should be our strategy for GBP USD, then I can say that in this market scenario, whenever we see or we witness this kind of selling pressure on the market, then the only strategy that we should follow is sell on rise. It means that whenever market will be going up and hit a particular resistance level, we will short the market. As of now, the only resistance level in this chart is 1.3600, which was the very important and crucial level for GBP USD. And right now we can hope that this level will be acting as the resistance for the market. Okay, so we can hope that when market will be going up, GBP USD will be going up, this level 1.3600 will be acting as the new resistance and market will be reversing. So if market reverses from 1.3600 level, we can short the market because this will be acting as the new resistance. And on the other hand, if we focus on the chart of DXY, the US dollar, then we can clearly see that US dollar is still very strong, still is an uptrend. And as I have clearly discussed in my yesterday's video, that it had a good chance of going towards the upside, and it did go up. And still, after a little bit of retracement, there is a good possibility of DXY going up again. So when DXY will be going up again, we will see new selling on the chart of GBP USD. So therefore, my dear friend, if you see GBP USD going up from here, do not go for any buy position, especially if you are a beginner, you are new to trading. Then my dear friend, do not buy in this market right now, because buying in this market will be going against the trend of the market, which will be very risky. If you are an experienced trader, you have been trading for last couple of years, then you know how to trade, how to take risk. But if you're a beginner, do not buy, only go for sell in this level if market reverses, and your stop loss will be above this level. Okay. And when you'll be going for sell, just look at the chart of DXY, whether DXY is going up or not. On the other hand, if you find DXY is going down, then do not short here. Then there is a possibility of GBPUSD going up. So whatever you do, consult the chart of US dollar once. Whenever dollar goes up, GBPUSD goes down. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow.